Good morning, my dear students. So, in the previous class or in the last class, so we have already discussed regarding the Luther Burbank. Luther Burbank's his achievements, and he was get so many awards and also get he was having so many titles himself. So he was a master gardener, a skilled planter, grower, a talented breeder also. And also he was called as a miracle working magician. So many titles are given that how he was growing different kinds of varieties of flowers and fruits and plants also. So and also he was a man of kind. He is having his own personality, and also he was successful in selling of a high quality vegetables growing in the farms. So and also he was get so many varieties already. He produced a new varieties of seeds also. So that he was called as a talented breeder also. So anyhow, so today we are going to continue this lesson. So this is the part two. Part two. This lesson. So let us we are going to read this lesson. Continue from the eighth paragraph itself. Look at the text. Secondly, he grew many varieties of fruits, flowers, and vegetables by changing water, food supply, temperature, light or space. Other varieties were achieved by classic plants which had very dissimilar qualities. After the production of many varieties, Burbank came to the final step, that was he could recognize and select the plants which showed described changes. Desirable changes. Desirable changes. He could also choose them for further experiments. His unending patience was tested all the time. All the end of his successful attempt to produce a white blackberry, he called it the paradox. Paradox. He set fire to all the rejected seedlings. That pile was 12 feet high, 14 feet wide, 22 feet long, and had contained 65,000. It contained 65,000 2 or 3 year old berry bushes. How many had he decided to keep for further study? Just less than 2 dozen. Throughout his efforts to force nature to obey his orders, Luther Burbank found out ways to increase the efficiency of experimentation. An acre on his farm yielded several thousands of different varieties of fruits. This wonderful achievement was made possible by grafting many twins on a single tree. In his manner, he was able to grow, for example, 526 different types of apples on the same tree. It was possible for him not only to save space but also to speed up his experiments. Instead of waiting for 15 years for a tree to give fruits, he would grab a twig from a young plant to a fruit. bearing tree and get fruits in just 2 or 3 years. Burbank carried out more than 10,000 separate experiments with 600 different kinds of plants. To give a complete list of his achievements is impossible, but some of his world famous products deserve mention. He developed an improved cherry, a thornless blackberry, a cactus without a thorn that is largely used as food for livestock. And a peach tree that can withstand freezing weather. It is the delighted flower bowers with 73 new flowers, including the Susta daisy and a rose that bears his name. Naturally, many of his efforts ended in failure. At one time, he crossed a tomato with a potato. Though a vegetable was produced, it had no commercial value, but his devotion was so deep and strong that nothing could disappoint him. In the present times, miracles are happening in steel mills, automobile factories, and markets of commerce and industries. Burbank worked with the simple elements of nature to produce effects that were as remarkable as shiny cars, bridges, tunnels, and singing wires. Here, now we are going to continue how the Luther Burbank he was making experiments in the field of the plants and fruits and vegetables. So let us know that first you know that there are so many techniques he used. In the three type of basic techniques he was in his experiments, he was used three basic techniques. First, he would collect different kinds of domestic plants and bring in many foreign varieties of plants. When they were grown under in many foreign varieties of plants, when they were grown under different conditions, they would prove strong, plentiful, or hard of else will show other desirable changes of new qualities. Yes, this Luther Burbank, he made so many, he followed the three steps of three techniques to grow different kinds of fruits and vegetables. And secondly, he grew many varieties of fruits also. So as I told you, he is a man of a breeder, and also he was a master of a gardener. So he was making so many experiments in the field of that another vegetables and fruits growing. Secondly, he grew many varieties of fruits, flowers, and vegetables by changing the water. So it is only on the basis of that water, changing weather, food supply, and temperature also very important. So in the growing of vegetables and fruits. Light or space, light means sunlight. So weather also very important to grow different vegetables, different fruits from in the other ways. So achieved by crossing plants. So he was crossing the plants. You know, so many nurseries are in the rural areas. They have to follow the crossing fields or crossing changes, crossing plants also, which had very dissimilar qualities. After the production of many varieties, so after the Bourbon, so that Luther Burbank, he produced so many other different varieties of fruits and vegetables that he select finally step was a could recognize and select the plants which showed desirable changes. Yes, the Luther Burbank he want to change a desirable changes also. He could also choose them for further experiments. So he want to change the experiment, changing the experiments in that field of fruits, vegetables, and other things. His unending patience was tested all the time. Yes, he is a man of patience. Patience is very important at the time of experience in different kinds. At the end of his successful attempt to produce a white blackberry, he set up fire to all the rejected seedlings. So he was changed the color of berries, that is blackberry. So why changed he produced a white blackberry, changed the color of the blackberry. But also he set fire to all rejected seeds. So he was fired all his rejected seeds. He did not use that again that seeds. That pine was 12 feet high. The pine was 12 feet. Pine was 12 feet high, 14 feet wide, broad, and also 22 feet long. That is 22 feet long, and it had contained 65,000 2 or 3 year old berry bushes. 65,000 old years. 2 or 3 years old berry bushes. How many had he decided to keep for further study? Just less than 2 dozen. Throughout his efforts to force nature to obey his orders, Luther Burbank found out ways to increase the efficiency of experimentation. Yes, Luther Burbank, he wanted to increase his experimentation or acre in front yielded several thousands of different varieties of vegetables also. So getting a profit or pins on a single, in this manner, he was able to grow, for example, 526 different types of apples on a same tree. Really, it is a great thing he was doing. The Luther Burbank, he was making so many great experiments in different types, in different steps, because he wanted to improve his yield in the field of that fruits and vegetables, and also he make so many different experiments from the fields. You know that he changed the color of the berry white into blackberries by grafting many types of vegetables, fruits. So he was making so many different things, different techniques. He using different techniques to develop the field of fruits and vegetable growing, so that he is having such a techniques and different experiments from the field of these vegetables and also fruits. Instead of waiting 15 years for a tree, give fruits a wood, graft a twig from a young plant to a fruit, bearing 3 or get fruits in just 2 or 3 years. So in the hand, Burbank carried out more than 10,000 separate experiments with 600 different kinds of plants. Anyhow, totally the Burbank he was making a 10,000 separate experiments with 600 different kinds of plants. So he was making so many experiments from maybe 10,000 experiments using 600 different kinds of plants itself. To give a complete list of his achievements is impossible. Sorry, that is impossible. But some of his world famous products deserve mention. Deserve mention. He developed an improved cherry and he thrown as blackberry. A cactus without thorns that is largely used and as a fruit for livestock, and a peach tree that can withstand freezing weather. So he was making so many lot of experiments with different using different techniques in the field of that experiments. So deep and strong that nothing to do disappoint him in the present times. Miracles are happening in the steel mills. Yes, he was a man of miracle. He was a man of that what you are called reading. So what he is called, he is a man of that what as I told you about this. He is a man of reader. He is a master of gardener, skilled plant grower also. And also he is having such a skill, such a technique using to develop or improve the yields. That is in the field of fruits and vegetables also. So in the present times, miracles are happening in the steel mills, automobiles, factories. There is a miracles happened in the field of industries also. That is the commerce and industries. So that is in the field of steel mills, automobiles, factories, and markets of commerce and industry. Burbank worked with the simple elements of nature to produce effects that were the remarkable as shining cars, bridges, tunnels, and singing voices. So these are all the effect from that production or produced from the fruits and with different kinds of vegetables also. Anyhow, my dear students, you know that Mr. Luther Burbank really is a man of magician. So magic in the field of industries also, he was making so many experiments. It affects to that industries. That is steel industries, steel mills, automobile factories, and market of commercial industries like this. So this in the fields also making a miserable or a miserable or remarkable shining, that remarkable achievements. So this type of that achievements not only in the field of that varieties of fruits and vegetables, but also it was an effect to that steel mills and also the production, steel mills also, automobiles factories also, and market of commerce and industries also. Like this, he was making a miserable the changes in the field also. A remarkable field, a remarkable achievement also he was doing. My dear students, really he is a great man. See how he was going to make different experiments in different types, and also he was making a 10,000 separate experiments using the with the 600 different kinds of plants. Really he is doing the great achievement. He is having such a knowledge regarding this. Anyhow, my dear students, you know the achievements and how he was making a great effort in this field. whatever it may be. He was a man of changes. He was called as a man of that what you call master gardener, and also a skilled partner, skilled plant grower, a talented breeder, and also miracle working magician also. So like this is the story, this is the message that you are going to learn from this the Luther Bonaparte. See how he is making so many different experiments in the field. How he was getting the awards or that what you call prizes from other within this field. Dear students, you are also having such a opportunity to do or achieve anything in the field of agriculture, horticulture, growing fruits and also vegetables also. Because you know that you are from so many children from rural areas. You are having such a lot of knowledge in the field of agriculture, horticulture, and also growing a vegetable, fruits also. So anyhow, I think you have get a good idea, knowledge, message from this lesson also. Let us, we are going to know, there are so many new words are introducing here in this lesson. That is, so many new words. First one is livestock, farm animals, bring up, to rise, devote, give over oneself to a particular purpose. Early rose potato, that is a variety of potato. Rich, fertile, which means fertile. Hardy, though, bear, produce, yield. So these are all the new words or other words are using in this lesson. I think you are using these words. It is better to construct so many sentences in your book. So like this, you should use these new words. Using these new words, you can construct the new sentences your own. Okay, let us move towards this homework questions. Here, therefore, a simple homework questions are given here. One is, mention the name of the new varieties of potato plants grown by Bonaparte. You know that? Mention the name of the new variety of potato plant grown Bonaparte. As I told you about this growing variety, he is using different steps to grow that varieties of fruits and vegetables. Second one is, how was the what was the weather in the state of California? So there is a changes of weather in different countries. As I told you about the water, that soil rich or that fertilized land also, that weather also very important to grow water, feed, fertilizer land and weather, sun, that is sun, light also very important. And then come to the third question, how many varieties of fruits and fruits did Bonaparte grow on an acre of his farm? How many varieties of fruits did Bonaparte grow on an acre of his farm? So like this, the last one is, what is grafting? What is grafting? So like this, these are all the simple questions we are giving homework. We are going to do this homework questions. So anyhow, so you are having, I think you are going to learn so many things from this lesson, so many messages, ideas, theme from this lesson. So you are having such a doubt, you may ask any questions for me. Yes, I think all of you understood this lesson also. So one thing you have to remember, you are from rural areas, you are having such a knowledge or knowledge to know how you are also from that farmers family also. You know how to grow the fruits and vegetables also. In the field of agriculture, horticulture, you are also having such a knowledge. You may try to get a good experiments from other in the field of agriculture and horticulture also. Different kinds of growing different kinds of fruits and vegetables also. We are going to know these varieties of using these varieties of, that is the thing you are going to know this. Sir, that is the thing. So anyhow, we are going to know this so many things from this lesson. So and also come to the grammar points also. There are so many grammar points are going to know this here in this lesson. There is a comparison, simile, metaphor, hyperbole, comparisons also going to know that, and also we are going to different types of seeds, vegetables, fruits, also flowers also. So flowers, agriculture also very important thing, and also you know that so many things we are going to learn from this lesson. The achievement is very important. You are having such aims. You are also having such aims. You have to go to any field. You can achieve it in this time. So that it is the lesson. It is a good lesson that you are going to learn, think, and also you are having such an idea regarding that agriculture and horticulture, and also you are growing of different kinds of varieties of vegetables, fruits, and also flowers also. So like this, you are also trying to get a good knowledge, or you are going to achieve anything from the field of agriculture, horticulture, and other in this field also. So, any doubts you are having with this class? If you are having any doubts, please ask me. So, here this is the lesson. That is a very important thing that you are going to know, that how you are having such a knowledge to develop the varieties of fruits and vegetables also. Dear students, you know that Luther Burbank, he was a man of a gardener. So he was called as a breeder, a plant breeder also. He was having such a talent of breeder also. He was called as a master gardener. But also he was a great the skilled breeder also. Anyhow, it is a working scientist named Luther Burbank. So he is having such an achievement, he is having such a goal to develop he is having such a skill to improve his technique or in the field of horticulture and agriculture also. Dear students, you know that he is making such an achievement in the field of this horticulture and agriculture. So growing different types of fruits and vegetables and other flowers also. He is using such techniques. He is using such skills, developing his skills. He was having such a three techniques to grow a different types of varieties of vegetables and fruits and flowers also. So that my dear students, you are having such an idea, such an skill to develop your in the field of agriculture also. When you have so looking this lesson, so this person Luther Burbank is a man of that what you are called like the master gardener, a skilled plant grower, and also a talented breeder, also and a miracle working magician. See, he was called as a miracle working magician. Dear students, he is got that Mr. Luther Burbank, he got so many awards, titles also. Such a knowledge he was having in this field of agriculture and horticulture also. Anyhow, he is a man of very good knowledge. Personally, he is having good personality, and also he is a man of kindness, and also he was a man of helpful man for others. So, like this, today we are going to know that naturally many of his efforts ended in failures also. He is having so many failures in the field of this field also. Anyhow, you know that she was 10,000 experiments, separate experiments and 600 different kinds of plants he using in the 10,000 experiments also. So whatever it may be, my dear students, you know that the hard work is very important in any field. So you make so many hard works. So for the sake of his hard works, due to his hard work, he get good awards and medals, and also he get good name in the field also. So whatever it may be, my dear students, you are also having such a opportunity, such an opportunity to get a good knowledge from this lesson also. So anyhow, you have to know that this is a good lesson, so that you are going to know a good knowledge from this lesson. I think now we are going to stop this lesson here. Then we are going to continue the next period. Thank you very much.